Welcome to Lecture 6 of our journey through the body's vital organs. Today, we explore the silent conductors of your body's symphony, your endocrine glands. This invisible network of hormone-producing organs regulates everything from your morning energy to your sleep cycle, from your stress response to your metabolism. Let's learn to harmonize this delicate chemical dance. Hormonal imbalances often manifest as vague, seemingly unrelated symptoms. Here's what to tune into. Persistent fatigue. That running on empty feeling despite adequate sleep. Unexplained weight changes. Gaining/losing weight without diet changes. Mood swings and anxiety. Feeling emotionally volatile without clear cause. Sleep disturbances. Insomnia or excessive sleepiness. Temperature intolerance. Always too hot or too cold. Brain fog. Difficulty concentrating or remembering. Changes in hair, skin. Thinning hair. Adult acne. Dry skin. Irregular periods or changes in menstrual flow. Low libido. Decreased interest in intimacy. Extreme thirst and frequent urination could indicate diabetes. Rapid heartbeat with anxiety. Thyroid or adrenal issues. Visible neck swelling. Thyroid enlargement. Goiter. Severe hot flashes. Night sweats. Beyond normal menopause. Muscle weakness with weight gain. Cushing's syndrome signs. Darkened skin. Patches. Insulin resistance marker. Galactorrhea. Milk production without pregnancy. Severe hair loss with other symptoms. Doctors look for clusters of symptoms that point to specific glands. Thyroid. Fatigue. Weight changes. Temperature sensitivity. Adrenals. Energy crashes, salt cravings, dizziness upon standing. Pancreas. Thirst, frequent urination, blurred vision. Sex hormones. Cycle irregularities, mood swings, libido changes. Blood tests, timing matters. Thyroid panel, TSH, free T3, free T4 antibody. Sex hormones, estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, day-specific for women. Adrenals are cortisol, often saliva or urine tests for daily pattern. Fasting. Insulin and glucose. Metabolic health indicators. Vitamin D. Acts as a hormone in the body. 4-point salivary cortisol. Daily adrenal rhythm. Dutch test. Comprehensive hormone metabolites. TRH, stimulation test. For thyroid function. Thyroid ultrasound. For nodules/structure. Adrenal CT, MRI, if tumor suspected. Pituitary MRI. The master gland assessment. The hormone balancing plate. Healthy fats. Avocado, olive oil, nuts, seeds. For hormone production. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. Support estrogen metabolism. Colorful berries. Antioxidants protect glandular tissues. Lean protein. Grass-fed meats, wild fish, legumes. Amino acids for hormone building. Fiber-rich foods. Flax seeds, chia, psyllium. Help eliminate excess hormones. Iodine-rich foods. Seaweed, fish, eggs. Essential for thyroid. Magnesium. Sources. Dark leafy greens, pumpkin seeds. Cofactor for 300+ enzymatic reactions, including hormone production. Avoid. Reduce. Endocrine disruptors in plastics. BPA, phthalates. processed soy products, unless fermented, sugary drinks and refined carbs, conventional dairy meat with hormones, natural hormone support with professional guidance, adaptogens, ashwagandha, adrenals, thyroid, rhodiola, stress, maca, energy, libido, vitamin D3 plus K2, crucial for multiple hormonal pathways, magnesium, glycinate, for stress response and sleep, omega-3s, reduce inflammation affecting hormone receptors, Vitex, chasteberry, for menstrual cycle regulation. Critical warning: hormone supplements can disrupt your body's delicate feedback loops. Never take thyroid, DHEA, or melatonin without testing and supervision. Circadian rhythm, alignment, morning sunlight exposure, consistent sleep/wake times, no screens, 1 to 2 hours before bed. Stress management. Chronic stress disrupts cortisol, then all other hormones. Movement balance. Both excessive exercise and sedentarism disrupt hormone.